Hello guys, if you want to buy Shiba Inu right now, there are few things you must do, and that is exactly what I am here to show us in this video. Alright, like some of us already know, my name is Onoja Nathaniel, and on this channel I teach you how to make money through cryptocurrencies. Make sure you have TradingView on your device. I want to show us a very simple yet very effective way to spot this buying on Shiba Inu. Alright, so I'm going to be sharing two indicators with us, and I will explain how they work very quickly. So here on the indicators, I'm going to search for the arrow buy and sell. Okay, you can see it already, the arrow buy and sell indicator for trading. All right, just click on it. We are also going to add the liquidity level. Now, when you type liquidity level, you're going to see liquidity levels by Sonalab. So that's the one we want. You just select it. Your charts will be like this. Mind you, we are on the 1 day time frame here. Okay, we're going to edit some few things here. You go to the arrow scalping buy and sell, go to its settings and close down these guys. Close this, and okay, you leave this buy and sell, then the plots, just the first three, close them down so your charts don't look too complex. What the liquidity level does is help us identify the buy and sell. Okay, you can see this is a liquidity level that indicates buy, this red line, while the blue one up here indicates sell. Okay, this is a sell signal. You can see after this point there was a fall. This is a sell signal, there was a fall as well, a sell signal. All right, so this line indicates a buy. So if you are looking forward to buying Shiba Inu right now, you would want to buy at this liquidity level. Also, the arrow scalping buy and sell here, tells when to also enter the market. It indicates the buy and sell level. Okay, when the when the price is below this yellow line, okay, just like we are, about to break out of it, it is a buy signal. All right, and when the trend or when the chart is above the yellow line, this particular one that went up, okay, it is a sell signal. Okay, so you use the arrow scalping buying and selling indication to get a better entry. Right here is the 24 hours charts. I'm going to change this to say 1 hour. Okay, yes, so this is 1 hour and it gives multiple entries. You can see various liquidation level. This would help you define when and where you're going to be entering this trade. When you look at the 24 hours candlestick chart, you'll see that we are very close to the liquidation level, which is a very good accumulation zone. Right here on the 17th of August, you can see that there is a liquidation zone, and that is where we are trending right now. This is serving as a resistance level. Okay, this is the support and this is the resistance level right now. As soon as we break out of here, we are going to be changing trend. Okay, see what happened from this point. There was a fall all the way down here. Sorry, we've been on a downtrend since the 12th of August. You can see what's happened here. This is what I think about the market generally. You can see how we are gradually making a higher high. Okay, uh, we still had another one here, and there is another one here, a higher high, and this is a bullish movement. We use the higher time frame for analysis. Then if you want to enter the trade, you can check out for the 4 hours or the 1 hour to give you a better entry for this trade. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, this is one way you can support me. Also like this video and share with your friends. Drop in the comment section if this was helpful and if there is anything you need clarity on, and I will see to them as soon as possible. Thank you, and thank you for watching.